Good evening everyone. So, kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po ang araw nyo? Kumusta po yung Saturday nyo? Okay lang po ba kayo? Salamat po sa panonood ng mga videos ko. So, kailangan ko kasi mag-upload to hit the 60k 1,000 views. Or, yes, correct. So, kumbaga yung video ko is nag-average siya ng yung mga na-upload yung video is yung views niya is nag-average ng 1k views. So I need to upload at least 60 videos para po ma-hit ko yung 60k or 60,000 views. Okay? So for tonight, we are going to discuss conductance and susceptance. So this topic is also a connection on my previous videos about the impedance and admittance. Okay? So conductance is a reciprocal of resistance. So based on this formula, the conductance is the inverse of the resistance. Okay? So the larger the value of conductance, the smaller the resistance and more current will flow. Conversely, the smaller value of the conductance, the greater value of R, and the less will current or the less current will flow. And the electrical unit of the conductance is in Siemens. Okay? So, gusto ko lang i-elaborate itong definition na sinasabi is the larger the value of conductance, the smaller the resistance. So, it's because say kung mataas yung conductance natin, mababa naman yung resistance. Okay? In same manner, kung mababa yung resistance mo, mataas naman yung kuryente mo. Okay? So, ganun lang yun, yung definition na yun. So, may i-relate natin yun, yung mga electrical formulas, kumbaga. So, kung mataas yung current mo, so what will happen your power? So, yung power mo is I squared R. So, pag mataas yung kuryente mo, mataas din yung power mo. Okay? So, ganun lang yun. And then, susceptance is the reciprocal of reactance. Okay? So, kung mayroon tayong reactances, a capacitive or inductive. So, ang susceptance is the reciprocal also of the reactances. We have two reactances, the capacitive and the inductive loads. Okay? So dito mayroon po akong exercise. So, suppose you have a capacitor of 100 picofarads at a frequency of 3 MHz. What is the value of the susceptance? Capacitive susceptance. So, given natin, meron tayong frequency na 3 MHz and then meron tayong capacitance na 100 picofarads. Okay? So, solution. So, the formula for the, we are going to, kumbaga, since unknown yung value ng reactance, okay, so for us to calculate the value of the capacitive susceptance, we need first to calculate the value of the capacitive reactance. So the formula for a capacitive reactance, this one, XZ is equals to negative 1 over 2 pi fc. So F is the frequency and C is for the capacitance. So, okay. Then substitute lang natin yung mga values. We have for the 2 times 3.1416, the approximate value of pi, and then the 100 times 10 raised to negative 12 because it is in farad, picofarad, and then times 3 megahertz. So 3 times 10 raised to positive 6. And then compute lang natin. So we have a value of negative. So we have a value of negative 531 ohms for the capacitive reactance, or in a complex number, so we have negative J531. Okay, so we can now compute the value of the capacitive susceptance based on the formula, this one. So susceptance is the inverse of this reactance. So substitute lang natin yung value. So we have BC is equals to 1 over XC, or 1 over negative 531. So, okay. Since we have no value of the capacitive reactance, so we can now compute the value of the susceptance. So the capacitive susceptance is equivalent to 1 over XC. So the inverse of the reactance. So substitute lang natin ang value, 1 over negative 531. So manipulating, we have J 0.00188. So yun, yan yung value ng susceptance natin for this problem. Okay, thank you.